Hi everyone! Welcome to my unboxing and review of the Milky Plant. The guys from Milky Plant sent me one of their products for my honest review. With the Milky Plant you can make fresh, clean and sustainable plant-based milk at home in just 3 minutes. You can get the Milky Plant on their official website for about $260. Check out the link in the description. The Milky Plant comes with a user guide, a measuring spoon and a glass bottle. You can also scan the QR codes for some digital recipes and how-to videos. Using the Milky Plant is very easy, and it only takes about 3 minutes until you get your plant-based milk. Cleaning the Milky Plant is also very easy and takes less than 2 minutes. When the self-cleaning function is finished, you just have to remove and rinse the lid, filter cup and the cleaning brush and let the machine air dry. The self-cleaning works pretty good, so you don't need to spend a lot of time cleaning the machine. The pulp is stored in a filtering sieve and can be used for future recipes or composting. Make sure to empty and rinse the filtering sieve straight away after every single serving. I tested the Milky Plant for about 2 weeks, mostly to make almond milk and oat milk, and I think it's a great product. It's very easy to use and it's also very easy to clean. And the milk tastes much better than store-bought milk. So if you want to start making fresh plant-based milk at home without preservatives or artificial ingredients, I would recommend the Milky Plant. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.